almost everybody is making money through one of these three ways. You cannot make money without you using this one of these three ways. 99% of the people you see out there who are making money is through one of these three ways. And if you that is watching me right now, if you are not making money one of these three ways that I'm going to mention, then I want to see you in the comment section. Tell me, let myself and the people know how you are making money. Now, the first one, and people make money through one of these days, is through employees. Okay, maybe you are a nurse, a teacher, you are a lecturer, people working for the government, or people working for private institutions, private companies. These are the ways people make money, and these people only have the chance to increase their salary or to increase their earning through maybe working overtime or maybe working a part-time for another company that is employing that person. Now, the second ways almost everybody is making money out is through self-employment. Maybe you develop a skills, you try to open a business for yourself. Maybe you're a mechanic, you open up a shop, you put on a story. Now, most people of these who are self-employees sometimes also own like real estate. These are two ways most of the people you see right now are making money out of. Now, the third one is through selling. Now, everybody you see out there, most of them are selling. And even those who are employees, those who are self-employed, they are all selling underground. You can see some nurses, you can see some teachers, you can see some lecturers. They are also selling something underground. Okay, so upon all these three ways that I just mentioned, selling is the most high paying in these three ways of making money. So my question for you right now is, are you employee, or are you a self-employee, or you are selling something? I want to see this in the comment section. If you are a human being without doing these three things to make money also, let us see it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. As we grow this channel together, we have a purpose, and you are going to be amazed why this channel is created. So if today is your first time of being here, click on the subscribe button and become a member of this community. Until then, see you in our next video.